There has been gradual rumors and leaks of the Pixel Fold since the beginning of this year, but we finally have a hands-on video. It's not much, but it has confirmed almost everything that we had till date. The video shows the Pixel Fold has a wide front screen that aligns pretty much with every recent foldable phone on the market, except those from Samsung, I guess. Good step, Google. We do have solid news on almost every spec of this device courtesy of Jon Prosser. The outer display of the Pixel Fold is set to be a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 6:5 aspect ratio with, of course, 120Hz refresh rate. The inner display also sports a 7.6-inch screen with a wide aspect ratio, but then the bezels are atrocious. It's actually difficult to understand why Google does this. Well, we'll be waiting for an explanation. Google didn't really cut a lot of corners when it comes to the camera of the device. The Pixel Fold comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 10.8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5x optical zoom 10.8 megapixel telephoto camera. The cover screen has a 9.5 megapixel selfie shooter and an 8 megapixel one in the inner display. But cameras aren't always about numbers. With Google's software trickery, this should produce some of the best images shot on a foldable device. RAM is going to be 12 gigs LPDDR5, and with the Tensor G2 running everything under the hood, performance on the Pixel Fold isn't going to be on par with the iPhone 14s or the S23 Ultras, but it should be plenty good at everything you throw at it. The phone has a huge heft weight weighing 283 grams, which is definitely on the heavy side. There are no specifics on the battery size in this report, but it's said that the battery can last up to 24 hours on a single charge and 72 hours on a special battery saver mode. In classic Google style, leaks are everywhere. We do have almost every info on every inch of this device. Its timeline and price are out, so let's get right into it. First of all, a teaser is set to be released on April 26th, an official announcement on May 10th, and the phone will be available in stores on June 27. Pre-order customers will get a Pixel Watch for free. Now the million-dollar question is, how much will it cost? Well, that's the interesting or probably shocking part. Most people saw this as a more budget-friendly foldable device, one that would fiercely compete with all these expensive foldable devices on the market. But the Google Pixel Fold is just as expensive as the Z Fold 4 with a price tag of $17.99. I can't believe we've got every info on a device that isn't due till next 2 or 3 months. But guys, that's pretty much all for now. What are your thoughts? Let me know them in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll be back when I find something new.